In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use my free material function to scale, rotate, and offset your textures. So let's do it. I've created 3 videos on how to rotate, scale, and offset textures using materials. Now I've gathered them all together in a material function. It saves a lot of time and space when setting up master materials, especially if we need to edit or add other functionalities in the future. You can download it for free on my website. The link is in the description. If it's your first time visiting my website, watch this short video to learn how to download and add the assets to your projects. Click here to see the exercise files. Download the material content asset pack. Extract the file and open the project. Go to HD, Materials, Masters, and open the Functions folder. Right click on the UV manipulation function and migrate it to the project you want. Drag and drop the function in your material. Connect the result output to the UV's input on the texture. We need 4 parameters: size, offset U, offset V, and rotation. Set the size value to 1. Connect the size and rotation parameters to their respective inputs on the function. Append these two and connect it to the offset input. Apply and save the material, then create a material instance and open it. I'll assign it to this plane to show how it works. Enable the parameters. We can offset the texture along the U and V directions, rotate it, and change the size. Rotation works in degrees, so if we enter 90, it rotates 90 degrees. If you want to learn how this function works, watch the UV rotation, offset, and size videos. I'll put their links in the description below. Click here for more Unreal stuff, and thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and join our community on Telegram, Discord, and Facebook. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. So, see you in the next one.